how to autofocus your iPhone camera. So let me show you how it works and all the things you need to know about it. If you're new here on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So of course you can open up your camera app on the iPhone, the built-in one, and the autofocus is a feature which is the default one, right? So your camera should automatically focus on whatever you point the camera at, right? So that is how it works. If you record a video or photo, whatever, the photo will be focused as long as you use it properly. So this is the default option. There could be some things which are going on. For example, if you're using the portrait mode or cinematic video mode, then the focus behaves a little bit different because the subject is supposed to be focused on only and the background is supposed to be blurry in those instances. So in that case, it works slightly differently. So not everything is in the automatic focus and it kind of like lets you adjust it. But the focus generally on the iPhone is set to the manual setting. The only way it could not be is that when you hold down on a subject, like you click on something selected, the yellow square appears, then you hold down on it. And this would technically allow you to lock the focus within the iPhone camera, right? So, and if the lock is in place, then of course the automatic focus is not present. But you can always just click somewhere else and go back to the autofocus. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If your phone kind of struggles to focus on things, it could be because of some hardware issue. Like, I don't know, if your camera is literally damaged, then, there isn't really anything like any software trick that we can use. So let me know if you managed to make it work. Subscribe for the next explanations and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.